Here we go. Welcome back. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Jason Terry's pumpkin, the last pumpkin to be weighed. If you joined us from the last video, will this beat the 1682 from New York? The suspense is coming. Here's the crowd. Hey, there you go, everybody. Say hi, everybody. We got all the shutter bugs in place. All right, everybody, what's gonna win? Is the ugly pumpkin that was just weighed gonna win, or the pretty orange one? What's the vote?
Pretty orange one.
Pretty orange one, all right. Sorry, guys. We're prejudiced. Here we go. I'm rooting for the orange one. I just got to, it's in my genes. Strapping her down again. Well, Frank, what do you think? Chris Kent dodged another bullet on the watermelon world record.
Yes, sir. This watermelon looked like it could. This watermelon went red light for some reason. I don't know why, but it measured, get on up there pretty close to that world record. I think it measured to weigh 335, if I'm not mistaken, but I haven't checked the record yet, but from just what I heard, it was measured to weigh about 335, and if it went a little bit heavy, it would have hit that world record. But apparently it went a little bit light on it.
So there's our leaderboard right there behind you. We have a 300-pound watermelon, and we have the 1,684-pound pumpkin from New York. Bubba has been dropped to 9th place. Here we go. Here's the orange pumpkin. They're going to check the bottom for holes. And we're going to set it on the scale and find out who our winner is. 2018. Great Pumpkin Pursuit in Guston, Kentucky. This is a Tennessee pumpkin. Here we go, they're setting her down. They're gonna pull off the strap. It is a hot one today in Kentucky. It's gotta be all at 90 degrees and then some on September 15th, 2018. Here we go, baby. Here we go.
All righty. Here we go.
All right, Dwight. No cheating, Dwight. No cheating, mister.
He can't hardly talk.
I'm thinking this baby's going to go close to 1,800 pounds.
He just... Zero.
Pretty orange pumpkin.
2.
She's a beauty.
4. 7. Oh, look out.
Look at that. Look at that. 1742.
1742. That's a
new Tennessee state record.
And a new record for
Jason Terry.
Congratulations, Jason. Outstanding. Outstanding.
That's heavier than Jason thought. Jason was hoping for 1,600 pounds, and he got 1742. Congratulations, Jason. Awesome grow, Tennessee state record. Sweet! You just won $1,000. What are you going to do next?
18.
18, there you go. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go next? You just won $1,000 Tennessee state record. Where are you going to go next?
I'm going to Disney World.
Hey, yeah! He's going to Disney World. There you go, folks. You got it. Hey, join us. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Mark's Mixes. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.